Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can build an Android app and install it. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to open Google Chrome. And from Google Chrome, you're going to search for an application called, and for a website called Nitron, okay? Now after you search for Nitron, you're going to click on Nitron. And then you're going to click on the hamburger menu. I would recommend for you to use this on, if you're not using it on a PC or a website, PC, just use the desktop site, okay? Once you have desktop site enabled, you're going to click on the hamburger menu over here, and then you're going to click on create apps. Now it's going to load, and you're going to have to sign in. After you sign in, as you can see, I have two projects created. I'm going to go on to this project. Okay, basically you're going to create your project, and then over here from the top left corner, or top right corner, and then you're going to click on new. And as you can see, the application over here, you can customize and add a lot of user interface stuff, and you can change the background, and you have a bunch of different settings. Once you finish setting up your application, you're going to go up over here and you're going to click on build, okay? Now when you go on to build, make sure you use Android APK. You're going to click on it, and then after that, it's going to start building over here. We're just going to wait for it until it builds. Now after the building finishes, you can actually download your application from here. You're going to click on download, and you're going to download your application. It's as easy as that. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.